If a sprinkler doesn't rise far enough, it's often because the lawn thatch has built up over time or the water pressure is too low. Here's an easy way to fix those problems by installing an innovative new product, Sprinkler Lift. Push the grass aside or lift off the ring if necessary. Remove the cap. If the housing turns, just hold it with channel lock pliers. The housing extension has an O-ring on its lower end. Screw the extension onto the housing until you feel a little resistance from squeezing the O-ring. Use a flashlight to look inside and further tighten the extension until its splines align with the housing splines. Tighten the set screw. An 8-inch number 2 Phillips or right angle screwdriver works best. Test to make sure the stem assembly slides easily between the extension and the housing. Reinstall the cap and tighten just a little. The sprinkler and nozzle are effectively raised in less than a minute. This new product makes a very fast and easy way to raise a low sprinkler head or nozzle. It's named Sprinkler Lift and it's on Amazon.